I would love to visit this place one more time in the future. So I am exactly outside the Desa Dairy Farm, but it's closed. No one can enter the place, and we do not know when this place is going to be reopened. Maybe they will take some time to reopen this place because everyone is still scared of the COVID-19. And around me, around these places, at the moment, there are so many people, there are so many visitors who actually take the time to come over here to relax and to see the places around. So this is how it looks like from outside the gate here. I'm right at the entrance here. I can see the cows, and I'm so happy to see the cows, even I cannot enter. And I really wish we can come over here in the future soon. Once you come over from there, sister, it is so good to see the nature from outside here. It is just good. I feel so good. And at the background I can hear people laughing. They're having a good time and everyone is just happy. So I hope everyone is happy in the world. Alumisa mimpa luas sa tempat to. Sa pala natadaw kapimpanaw kagayati ditikin na nga. Ayun sa nandan dati mimpanaw diti nga. Alumis sa mimpanaw diti. Alumis sa tempat diolo, harang nga tempat at pangakanan. Nga ano pun dapia kaswa nga. Kakita pun demantada sadula. It is really so spacious and it's fresh outside here. Just make sure that we are wearing our mask and we are keeping our distance from each other because we don't want to be infected or we don't want to infect others. We just need to be more careful. So this is it. Alumisa mintong, alumisa mimpa. Magubungay tul na sanri katit-katiti. May kago dito seta daw. Wow. Alumisa kina. Bakuran pa nat akaswang la. Nga it is still good. It's still good.